Hello students, in last class I have stopped till the first shloka I completed. Natadrik jayate saukyam api swarge sharirinam daridrepi hi adrikshat swadeshe swapure grihe. Then we will start. अथ असौ कोटरान्तर्गतं शशकं दृष्ट्वा साक्षेपमाह. When the crow seen the rabbit in the place of that Kapinjala sparrow, then this crow told, Bhoshashka, that sparrow told to rabbit, Bhoh Shashaka, Natvaya Sukham Sundaram Kritam, Yan Mama Avasasthane Pravishtosi. Why you enter into my place? It is my place. Tat Shigram Nishkameda. So you please vacate the place as early as possible. Shashaka, then the rabbit told, Natavaidam graham, it's not yours, it's mine. Mamaiva. Tat kim mithya parushan jalpasi. Why you are lying? Tad mama etad graham natava. This house is mine only, not yours. Kapinjala, then sparrow told, Yadi smritim pramani karoshi, tada agaccha maya saha. Yena smriti bhatakam prachavaha. If you need anyone to give you the correct answer, then we'll go to someone and we'll ask him. Saha yasya dadati, saha granat. If we ask to someone, a good person, if he said, then this house is yours, then you can take. How he will give the judgment, like we'll stay in that place. Like this he told. Tatha anushtite mayapi chintitam. This discussion between the sparrow and rabbit, that crow is listening. That time crow thought, Kimatra bhavishyati, what will happen? Maya drishtavyayam nyaya. Underline the word Maya drishtavyayam nyaya because it is one important RC. I should see the judgment, who will give good judgment in this case. Tataha kautukat ahamapi tav anuprasthitaha. Then I also followed them. Anuprasthita means followed them. Atrantare tikshadamstro nama aranyamarjaraha tayoho vivadam shrutva. In between the discussion, one cat is listening everything, why they are fighting between each together, for what sake they are fighting. That all he listened. And then he decided, Margasannam naditatam masadya krita kusha upagraha. He thought, what they said, no? We'll go to someone, some person. If he said, this place is yours, then we'll take that. Likewise, will do. Like they have decided, both rabbit and sparrow. That thing have been listened by this cat. Margasannam naditatam masadya kritakusha upagraha. Then what this cat thought? They will come to me. They are searching some persons. So they will come to me and I will be good person that I can eat both of them easily. Like this he thought, and he went to river's branch of a river, and he stayed on the branch of that river. Nimilita ekanayanaha. Nimilita means he closed one eye, and by one eye he is seeing where they will come or not. Urdhvahu, he put upside his both hands. Ardhapadas prishtabhumihi, he stayed on half of his leg. Shri Suryabhimukha Imam Dharmopadeshanam Akrut. By seeing at sun, he is telling something. Aho asaharoyam samsaraha. Array, this samsara, the familyness, this is very, very worst. Kshana bhanguraha pranaha. Array, when our death will come, we don't know. Sapna sadarshaha priya samagamaha. We are thinking about our happy time. When it will come, we also that also we don't know. Indrajalavat kutumba parigrahoyam. This familyness and all other things are like a magic. Tadharma mukta nanyagatirasti. So we should follow the dharma, our own dharma. Because one Subhashita Kara told us, Anityani sharirani vibhavo naiva shashvataha nityam sannihito mrityuhu kartavyo dharma sangraha. Array, this body, these all things are not permanent for us. Anityani sharirani. Vibhavo naiva shashvataha, this richness, wealthiness, this is also not permanent. Because nityam sannihito mrityuhu. Every time the death is our behind. When it will come front, we don't know. So we must do the dharma. Kartavyo dharma sangraha. Anyacha. One more Subhashita saying he said, Sankshepat katyate dharmo janah kim vistarena vaha paropakara punyaya papaya parapidanam. Dharma means what? Dharma means nothing but we must help others, that is paropakara, that is only will get us a moksha. Papaya parapidanam. If we teased others, then we'll get hell. Dharma means this much only, not any more than this, anything more than this. Athatasyatam dharmopadeshanam shrutva shashakaha. When they are going on the road, that time these all things are told by himself, by this cat. Bho Kapinjala. That time this rabbit told to Kapinjala, sparrow, Are Kapinjala, Eshaha Nadi Tire, Tapasvi Dharmavadi Tishtati. Are, this person is very, very good one. He is a very Dharmavadi. He tells the Dharmas. Tadenam Prachava. We will go to him and we will ask him about our fight. Kapinjala Nanu Swabhavado Asmakam Shatruvoyam Bhutoyam Asti. Are, underline the word that Swabhavataha Asmakam Shatrubhutoyam Asti, because it is also an important RC. That time a sparrow told, Are, nahi. this person is naturally our enemy. He can kill us and he can eat us. Tad dure sthito prachavaha. So we should not go nearby that person. We'll stay away from this person and we'll ask him, if you want to ask him. Kadachidasya vratavaikalyam sampadhyate. When this person's that vrata will be finished, tato durasthato uchito. Then they stayed away from that person and they asked him, Bho tapaswin, dharmopadeshka, Are tapasvi, Are sage, you are telling some dharmas. So we are asking you, Avayoho vivadaha vartate. There is a fight between myself and this person, sparrow and that rabbit. Tad dharmashastra dvarena asmakam nirnayam kuru. So you are the person, all dharmas you have read, you know all dharmas. So I am telling you to give us a good judgment. Yo hinavadi sate bhakshaha iti. Who will be the liar in between us? That person you must eat him. That is the feast for you. Like this he told. Bhadrata saha bhadro mamayo madatam. Re, don't tell like this. Because nivrittoham narakapatham margat. I left that path because that leads to hell. So I will not tell anything to you about that your fight. I am telling you only one thing. Ahimsa eva dharma margaha. Ahimsa, not killing, not teasing others. That is the only one thing that leads to dharma. Because there is a saying, Ahimsa purvako dharmo yasmat sadbhir udartaha yukamat kunadamshadihi tasmat tanapi rakshet. What they said? Ahimsa purvako dharmo. Not teasing anybody or not killing anybody. Ahimsa is the only dharma marga for us. Yasmat sadbhir udartaha. All good persons told us that killing others is a very, very bad thing. So, killing others is a wrong thing. So, I am telling you, Yuka mat kuna damshadihi tasmat tanapi rakshet. If some insects come and they will eat our bodies, blood, that time that thing also we should not kill. That is also one type of himsa. So we should not do that also. Ete api ye yadnikaha yadnakaramni pashun vyapadayanti te murkhaha paramartham shrutehi na janti. These persons who will kill the pigeon or some insect, by killing them, they will complete their yajna karmas. They don't know, they are the foolish persons. They don't know the meaning of the Sanskrit. Tatra kila yajuktam ajaihi ashtavim. There is a saying in Sanskrit, ajaihi ashtavim. Who doesn't have rebirth, by that thing we must give the Yajna Havissu to the Yajna Purusha. Ajaha Vrihaya Tavat Saptavarshika Katanti. This Ajaha Vrihayaha. Ajaha means they doesn't have any rebirth. Paddies, they doesn't have rebirth. Tavat Saptavarshikaha Katanti. They will get only once in a 7 year. Okay. Na punaha pashu sheshaha. So, I will not eat you. Tadnaham bhakshesham. I will not eat you. Param jaya parajaya nirnayam karisham. But I will solve your problem by giving good judgment to you people. Kintu aham mruddhaha durat yuvayoho bhashantaram samyag na shrunomi. I am very old. I am aged person. I will not listen your voice from that place that is very far away from me. Evam dhyatva mama samipavartino bhutva mamagre nyayam modatam. So, you come nearby me and tell me your problem. Then only I can solve your problem, like this, he told. And Ena Vijnaya Vivada Paramartham Vacho Vadato me Paralokavadho na bhavati. If I listened your fighting reason, then only I can give a good judgment. Otherwise, I will get hell. I will go to hell after my death. Tasmad Vishrabdho Bhutva Mama Karnopantike Sputam Nivedayitam. Then you believe me and come nearby me and tell me your problems. Kim Bahunatena Kshudrena Tatau Turnam Shusto. That time, that person, by the words of that person, by the words of that cat, these both were they believed him and they went to nearby that person. Yatha tasya utsangvartano sanjato. When they reached nearby that cat, tadasyatenapi samakalameva. By that time only, in only one time, ekaha padantena akrantaha. One person have been killed by his legs, another one person by putting his teeth, like this. That cat killed both of them and he eaten both of them. Evam dvavapi gata prano bhavishyata bhakshito viti. So they both have been eaten by that cat. So I am telling you, we should not fight each together. This is the lesson. If you need any explanation, please contact me. We'll do question answers in next class.